What's up YouTube? My name is Trey. Today I'm going to be showing you my second version on how to reverse integers in Java. Alright, let's get straight to the code. Alright, so first we need to create our number reverser object. So we're going to have a data field called number. Then we need to create a constructor. We're going to have this dot number is equal to number. Alright, now let's jump down to the reverse number method. Alright, so for this method we're going to need two variables. The first one being int remainder, and we'll set that to 0. And int reversed number, we'll set that to 0. This dot number is not equal to 0. Alright, inside our while loop, we're going to have 3 lines. The first one, remainder, is equal to this dot number mod 10. Second line, we're going to have reversed number is equal to reversed number times 10 plus remainder. Therefore, our third line, we're going to have this dot number is equal to this dot number divided by 10. Then outside our while loop, we're going to return reversed number. Alright, now I'm going to show you how this code works. For our test number, we're going to use 1, 2, 3. So when the loop starts, 1, 2, 3 is not equal to 0. And we go to our first line. So remainder is going to be 123 mod 10, which gives you remainder 3. Then reverse number is going to be reverse number times 10, which is 0, plus 3. Because before the while loop started, we initialized reverse number to 0. So reverse number is equal to reverse number times 10, which is 0, plus remainder 3. Then we're going to divide the original number by 10, so it can chop off 3 at the end. So once we chop off 3 at the end, the loop starts again. Remainder is equal to 12 mod 10, which gives you remainder 2. So now our reverse number is going to be 3 times 10, which gives you 30, plus 2, which gives you 32. Then we're going to divide number by 10 again. So now we'll only have 1. So 1 mod 10 is equal to 1. Then reverse number is 32 right now. So 32 times 10, which is 320. And then when you add remainder 1, it's going to be 321. Then we're going to divide 1 by 10, which gives you 0. So once we reach 0, the loop ends. So now our reverse number is 321. Alright, so now let's go to our main method. So we're going to have scanner input is equal to new scanner. Alright, next we're going to have a print statement asking the user to enter a number. So please enter a number you would like reversed. So we're going to have int num equal to input dot next int. Alright, so now we need to create our number reverser object. So we're going to have number reverser nr is equal to new number reverser num. Alright, lastly, we need to print out our number in reverse. So we're going to have print original number plus num. Then we're going to have reversed number plus nr dot reverse number. Alright, so now we're going to run to test our code. Alright, so for our test we're going to have 1, 2, 3. See, we get our original number was 1, 2, 3, and then our number in reverse is 3, 2, 1. So let's test in 3, 2, 1. So we get 1, 2, 3 back. So that's how you reverse integers in Java. If you have any questions, comment below. Or if you have any questions or you would like to comment, if you have any questions or you would like to request a video, comment below. Alright, like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching. Alright, bye.